and get this.
You know, like, what the problem is?
Hope he don't come over here like it's up.
None of us need to be tased, my man.
Hell no.
Back up already.
Look, yeah, he sure is.
Back up already.
We got some rowdy ones up in here. It's just a,
Get out of the way. Get over here.
it's just a sneaker release.
Get over here.
Stay there, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Clark, for doing the right thing.
We ain't going nowhere.
And we appreciate the entertainment. Dun, 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 dun. I'm just going to cut in line just to get this, and then I'll let y'all back. Oh, man, all that you could have left. Just. You could have done that on your own willpower. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all still had to wait 20 minutes to get these damn machines. Y'all happy?
I let one person in.